So today I'm going to show you how you can use any other operating system on your Windows operating system. For that I will use VirtualBox by Oracle. Right now I'm on my Windows 11 operating system. I will move on to the browser and search for VirtualBox and click the first link, that is virtualbox.org, and then click on the download button. You can directly click on this or you can go to this link also. I will click on this and I will choose the Windows host. This is the latest build. If you want to download any previous versions, you can go do so by going through on this. If you want to download VirtualBox 6.1 or any other builds, you can go. You can visit this website and see. But I will download the latest version. And for this Windows host, as I am using my Windows operating system, if you have a Mac, you can go for Mac host and Linux also. I will click on Windows host. It will automatically start downloading. I will cancel this as I have already downloaded it. So I will cancel this and then I will move on. I will minimize it and move on to my file managers. I will move on to this VirtualBox installer and double click this. Click on yes, and now the setup wizard has started. Click on next, again next, and yes, yes, and click on install. The installation has started. Wait for some minutes. So as you can see here, finally the installation has completed. I will uncheck this and click on finish. I will, as you can see here, the virtual Oracle VM VirtualBox. It is installed. Double click this. It's open now. In the next video, we will see how you can use any other operating system in this VirtualBox.